Unit 13 here on Scene at the Homestead. It's time for update 28 of the Vermicompost experiment. Here we are back in February 9th, 2020, bin number 2. Lots of carrots, potatoes, and bread there, as you remember. Moving forward, here we are, April 8th. There's what's left. Not much. We have a lot of potato skins there. That'll be perfect leaf litter for this thing. We have an exterior temperature of 85 degrees, humidity is 62%, and a soil temperature of 77.1. Things have warmed up since the last update. There was a roach in this. I didn't catch it on film, but I got it out of there, and I fear that it may have left eggs in here, so I'm going to keep a close eye on this bin, number 2 here. Outside of that, there are no foul odors, nothing much to note here. Everything looks good. I may need to add some more water to this bin, keep the moisture up in that soil. Outside of that, everything looks good here, nothing out of the ordinary. Switching over to bin 3, going back in time to February 9th. Moving forward to April 8th. We have no unwanted guests, no foul odors, nice rich looking soil building up there in this bin. Possibly needs some moisture just like bin 2 does. We still have a exterior temperature of 85 degrees and a soil temperature of 77.1. These bins seem like they're doing pretty good, actually. I'm sure these reports have probably turned pretty boring, but I still want to document them. It shows how much these worms can consume in a short period of time. Oh, I forgot that I did add some of that gross canned chocolate icing. That stuff was nasty. We'll find out whether the worms like it or not. Alright, that's it for update number 28. This is Unit 13. I'm out.